Hello everyone, Jane L. Stanley here, and I am watching Kellyanne Conway on Fox News Channel, and still pushing this coronavirus reopening, and what she's going to say about schools is what we have been all saying.
That getting our children back into an academic and social structure to give them that support. You know, Sandra and Ed, it's very heartbreaking to me to read the statistics and the anecdotes, the increase in child abuse, spousal abuse, drug abuse, mental health challenges in some places where kids with the synagogues and the mosques and the church.
Now, they're including cannabis in this drug use. 91 to 99% of people have absolutely no problem with doing any natural drugs or any drugs. It is those that are born with a Neanderthal gene that is the issue. And they need specialized treatment. And when our own government has proven the safety of recreational drugs that are naturally derived, there is no danger.
The schools closed. So many of these kids don't have a safe place and another adult to go and say, I'm being harmed, or I'm worried about the arguments or the alcohol use, whatever it is.
So they want them kids to tell on their parents. Now, I can understand abuse, but they'll say if your parents are drinking even one drink, they may consider that an alcoholic.
Back to work. They're in low infection rates. They have supply surge, hospital capacity. They haven't been impacted or exposed.
No hospital has been impacted.
And they want to get back to work. They want the dignity of work. We are slowly and safely doing that. And I have to say, as an American, we should all be happy how much collaboration there has been with all these governors, right, left, and center. That is really the greatest thing. And I think some of these mayors don't get enough credit too.
We've got
Okay, this is Minister Stanley
what is the White House thinking
signing
on
out.
public schools in this country being able to
wait,
safely
no, I'm not.
reopen in the fall?
Well, that, of course, will go to each state and perhaps even down to the school districts, but we are putting out guidelines as to how safely to do that. And I think we have to weigh the benefit of the kids being in school to learn. Not everybody has a great digital connection, it turns out. Not everybody has 5G and internet access. That digital divide has been very real for many
So
students.
they want to expose our kids to 5G.
Early on, Sandra and Ed, but we've got to also get them back to that social and academic structure that is so important to so many of these schools.
Their rules do not build social structure.
Not every state, not every school district, not every geographic location within a state is created equally in terms of what the infection rates have been. But as a parent of four
The
school
CDC
children,
has
I'd like
admitted
all school
to
children
mixing
participate in
all
national learning,
coronavirus
distance learning.
as
It has some
COVID-19.
benefits, but it really has a great downside too. These kids benefit from being with other kids, from being with adults, from going out and getting fresh air.
Can you
and being taught
understand
in the
now
classroom.
that the Trump
So we wanna keep them
administration
safe, but
is
we
not
also realize
for
that safety
us?
is physical,
When they
but it's
say
also
their
mental, it's
kids need a
also
good
social
education, that's
for many of these
exactly what
kids.
they
And
mean.
as for the
Their
rallies,
children,
there
not
will be a
ours.
campaign.
Because
I think
ours
Joe
are
Biden
future
in his states have
chattel.
benefited him. We get a total of less than an hour of Joe Biden a week. That's great.
It
for
is
Joe
a
Biden.
continued supply of adrenochrome and sexual assault on your children.
Rallies this month or next month?
There will be rallies. I sure hope so, because people want to do that. I would just say, if you're socially distancing at a rally, if you only
Let's
have
get
2
both
out
sides of
every
the
10
story,
seats
Kellyanne.
filled at a Trump rally, it look more like a Biden or a Clinton rally.
And
So
also
that would be
Donald
odd.
Trump,
But he will
this
be
is
there.
what
He
you
will be
did
visiting
with
these
the
states
opiates.
to make sure
You
people understand
you
the
manufactured
of the Trump
deaths.
progress report and the Trump
This
presidency, how it has
is
positively impacted so
collusion.
many American
This is
lives. This election is
conspiracy.
not a referendum
Minister
only.
Stanley
It's a
signing
choice.
out.